everyone, the gorgeous Felicity Jane Holly Kit has just landed on my doorstep, so I thought I would show you what's inside because there are so many beautiful things included in this kit. So I have already taken a peek, but I mean it's so beautiful how this kit comes packaged. It's just absolutely gorgeous. Love this tissue paper. I think I'll be saving that. Now to start off with, I'll show you the album that I have chosen for this year. And it's this absolutely gorgeous buffalo check. Comes in this reusable bag. It's got a little drawstring at the top. I love it. And this, it's like a pleather, and it's just such beautiful quality. As you can see there, it's got all the gold hardware on the inside. It's got the little corner bits there as well to protect it, and I just absolutely love this album, so I can't wait to get started on my December documenting this year. So that's the album that I'm using. It also comes with page protectors, which is great. I'll just put those out the way. Okay, so I mean, just look at how much is in this box. So what I might do is just pop the box out the way and I'll give you a closer look at what's inside. Alright, so I've got everything out of the box now, so I've got it in a nice little pile on my desk, and I'll just quickly go through what is included in this kit. The kits themselves are actually sold out, but a lot of these other bits and pieces are available individually in the Felicity Jane store, so if you do see anything you like, go and check out the store to see if it is still in there, if you'd like to grab some of these things for yourself. I'll put a link down below for you to be able to do that. Okay, so there is a pack of journal cards in here, so I'll give you a closer look at those. As always, they've got the grid on the back if you want to use that for anything as well. But we've got this one here, the most wonderful time of the year. There's this lovely scalloped border. There's Holly herself with her scarf on. This one says December Memories. Little dots there. Some pink with larger polka dots. I always love a red diagonal stripe for Christmas, so this is one of my favourite cards, I think. I've got this black and white card here. You can do all sorts of things with that one. There's a Christmas tree with a star on top, a red bow. Oh, this one here, I love that with a buffalo check. And 'Tis the Season. You can add all sorts of bits and pieces to that one. So that's the journaling cards. There's also this pack of honeycomb trees. I cannot wait to play with these. I think these are going to be so much fun to use. We've got gift tags as well. You can see on the back there. I'll just try to get that to focus. A little bit hard to see. I'll see if I can pop those out. So there's 6 tags in this pack. Give you a closer look at those. There's the wreath there. Some gold polka dots. The gold foiling there, red with polka dots, a nice black and white check, one that says joy, and one that says merry. So love those, they'll be lots of fun to use. We've got some epoxy stickers here, so all sorts of designs on there, as you can see. And then we have some felt stars, so they're grey and they have the stitching around the edge of the stars, so I absolutely love those too. I love everything. I know I'm going to say that a lot throughout this video because everything is just so gorgeous. These are puffy words, so you've got Merry Christmas, Ho 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 and Dear Santa, and a couple of stars there. It's just such a beautiful font. We've got these vellum faux pockets. I'll just open these up because these are awesome and they already have the adhesive on the backs. So, oh, there's a striped one there, as you can see. That hasn't come out, but they have the little cutout at the top there, and you can slip things into your journaling or whatever you want to slip into these, but you can see they already have the adhesive on the back, so you can just stick them directly onto your page. So they are awesome. Love those too. We've got lots of word stickers there. All sorts of phrases and words. We've got like party, smiles, cookies for Santa, gingerbread, remember this, reindeer, holiday baking, all sorts of words for documenting December. This is the stamp set for the Holly Kit. Wow, I know I'm going to be using lots of these little stamps. Just giving you a closer look there. Yep, that's going to be great to use. There's the die cut shapes, lots of little pieces in that. I won't take everything out, but you can get an idea of how many pieces are in there. And you know, there's things like holly herself, there's little trees, hearts, there's little branches here, some holly pieces, bows, all sorts of things. And there's 42 pieces in that pack. There's the mini puffy alphas. We did have the white version of these come out in a recent kit, and so the black ones are included in the holly kit. The beautiful gold foil numbers, which come with this, I love this, a little black and white striped pouch with the drawstring at the top. How cute is that? And I mean, there's 2 sheets of numbers in there, so more than enough to be able to do your documenting. So absolutely love that. We've got the glitter foam alphabet in the silver. So I do love using silver and gold in my albums, so I'm really happy those are in the kit. And then we have these cardstock dividers, and there's 6 different pages. They have the 6 holes punched down the side. I'll see if I can pull them out and show them to you. So there's the one with the stars, so you can see straight through them, like that. There's circles, and then there's these ones with the flaps, and those honeycomb trees will go beautifully in there. Imagine the little surprise when you open that up and find a honeycomb tree inside. So there's one that's got the pocket as well down the bottom, another one with a flap, and you get a second one with a pocket there too. So you can store all sorts of bits and pieces in those. And then there are the papers. So I'll just open that up and show you quickly. Doesn't want to open. Okay, so there's a beautiful holly pattern on that side, and we've got trees on the other side. All my favourite diagonal red stripe, so that's candy stripe, and then there's script on the back with that beautiful font. There's this lovely pink and white stripe on this side, and a wood grain on the other. Then we've got a diamond pattern, and that's in like a green, like a sage, or almost a grey. And then there's this black and white border pattern on the other side. So we've got this loop pattern here, and on the reverse we've got stars. These pretty red dots on this side, and gingham on the other. We've got a linen pattern and dots, black and white dots, can never go wrong with those. And then there's the solid colour papers as well. So there's that dark red and a pink, and then there's those colours as well. So that's the 2 different shades of that greyish green, which is really lovely. So that's a quick look at the papers, and don't forget they always have the branding strip as well that you can use on your project, and there's always something different on each of those pages. So there's that stripe, there's like a snowflake pattern there in the pink, and each paper has one of those pattern branding strips. So there's other little bits as well included. We have this washi. One's got little trees on them, the other one's got like a diagonal black stripe. Hopefully you can see that there. We've got the little jar of sequins, so these are red sequins. We've got, well, I haven't undone these yet, but beautiful snowflake confetti there. So it looks like white and gold, almost like a vellum-y sort of white. No, they are white. And these are one of my favourite things in this kit, these little wooden trees. I mean, how cute are these trees? Houses. Look at these cute little houses, and they're so detailed with the windows. I mean, look at those. How gorgeous. Can't wait to play with those. And then there's another little glassine bag, which you could use this bag in your December album if you wanted to. I'll just carefully open that. Put that little bit of washi aside. I'll show you what's inside this. Oh, so we've got little bells. So I've got some little bells there. They'll be fun, and they sound like Christmas. I love using bells on my projects at Christmas time. And there's all these trims included. I mean, look at these little ribbons, trims. This one with the little gold stars on it. There's some white twine there. We've got other little pieces here. some little like tissue paper squares. There's some little glassine envelopes. They'll be fun to use. And yeah, of course, you can use that bag as well. So that's just a closer look at what was included in the Holly Kit this year. As I said, the kits are sold out, but there's lots of these other bits and pieces still available in the shop. So go and check it out. I hope you've enjoyed this quick little run through, and I'll see you soon.